Anthropic has officially launched Claude Science, a standalone desktop application available in public beta for macOS and Linux. Positioned as an AI workbench for scientists, the platform aims to streamline the fragmented nature of modern R&D workflows by integrating multiple research tools, specialized computing resources, and hundreds of public and private databases into a singular environment. Crucially, Anthropic emphasizes that Claude Science is not a newly fine-tuned biology model. Rather, it is a localized software layer that connects users to existing frontier models like Claude Opus and Sonnet, focusing its value entirely on solving the complex infrastructure and data plumbing that often slows down scientific progress.
At its core, Claude Science operates via a multi-agent orchestration system, where a generalist project manager agent coordinates with specialized sub-assistants to execute complex, multi-step research pipelines. The application comes pre-equipped with over 60 pre-configured skills and domain-specific toolkits tailored for fields such as genomics, proteomics, structural biology, and cheminformatics. Through a plain language chat interface, researchers can seamlessly query specialized scientific databases, including UniProt, the Protein Data Bank, PDB, Ensemble, Chembl, and preprint servers like bioRxiv and PubMed, without needing to manually toggle between platforms or navigate disparate query schemas. Furthermore, a partnership with NVIDIA integrates the Workbench directly with the BioNemo Agent Toolkit, enabling native connections to advanced life sciences models like Evo2 and Bolt2.
Beyond data retrieval, the Workbench natively acts as an interactive execution and visualization canvas. Rather than just returning text, Claude Science generates and displays rich, reproducible scientific artifacts, such as 3D protein structure renderings, chemical structures, and genome browser tracks. Because figures and draft manuscripts are generated alongside the underlying code, such as Python or R scripts, researchers can review execution logs and interactively annotate figures inline, instructing the agent to iteratively refine visuals or text until they are publication ready. To address the critical issue of AI hallucinations and ensure scientific rigor, Anthropic has engineered strict verification and auditing protocols directly into the architecture. Every output generated by Claude Science carries an absolute history of its creation, tracking the exact data wrangling steps, code, library dependencies, and runtime environment so that any team member can perfectly reproduce the analysis months later. Additionally, a dedicated reviewer agent works in parallel with the main pipeline, continuously cross-checking calculations and citations to flag incorrect data or untraceable numbers, self-correcting the errors before final presentation. Finally, Claude Science removes the tedious administrative burden of high-performance computing management. When faced with heavy computational tasks, such as folding a complex protein or processing a massive single-cell RNA sequencing dataset, the app drafts a comprehensive execution plan. It requests explicit permission from the scientist before scaling resources, and once approved, it automatically writes, packages, and submits the job directly to the lab's existing infrastructure. This allows analyses to scale seamlessly from a single local machine to hundreds of GPUs via cloud-on-demand services like Modal or on-premise high-performance computing clusters over SSH, ensuring data privacy and operational flexibility for academic and enterprise labs alike.